Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum one class. How are you all? In previous nature sciences class, we had studied about our senses. By continuing the same topic, we will complete our exercise today. Now let's revise the topic. We have 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste. We use eyes to see things. We use ears to hear sounds. We use nose to smell. We use tongue to taste food. We use hands to touch and feel things. Now class, open page number 12 of your Nature Sciences book. Question 1 is true or false? Number 1, we smell with our mouth. हम अपने मुंह से सूंघते हैं क्या? No, this statement is false. Write F for false. Number 2 is we taste with our tongue. हम अपनी ज़बान से चखते हैं. Yes, this statement is true. Now write T for true. Number 3 is we have 6 senses. How many senses do we have, one class? We have 5 senses. Now this statement is false. Write F for false. Number 4 is we hear with our ear. Yes, हम अपने कानों से सुनते हैं. This statement is true. Now write T for true. Number 5 is we use fingers to touch. हम अपनी fingers use करते हैं touch करने के लिए. Good, this statement is true. Now write T for true. Question 2 is how many senses do we have? Its answer is we have 5 senses. Question 3 is name 5 things that you can see now. आप अपने इर्द गिर्द देखें और आपको जो भी 5 things नजर आती हैं उनके names write करें. Do it by yourself. Question 4 is draw and name 5 sense organs. Its answer is eye. First sense organ is eye. Second is ear. Third one is nose. Fourth one is tongue. And fifth one is hand. Now class, complete this work at page number 12 of your book. Thank you so much.